The whip finish tool. This is a skill that evaded me for almost 30 years in fly tying, and after I started doing the YouTube stuff, I thought that I better learn how to do it. So I jumped onto YouTube, which is a great learning resource, and the video that did it for me was Dave Downey's. But I'm going to make my own video now that I'm down the line and I'm proficient with this tool. So it does seem like a bit of a black art at times, the whip finish tool. So I've got a flying device here and I'm ready to whip finish. So how do you do it then? Well, basically the one I'm using is a pretty standard Vineyards one. It rotates. I can't get on with any of the others. I have tried, but I've failed to do so. So we're going to flip over to the vise now. And what I've done is I'm nearly ready to finish this shrimp pattern. So I've got my whip finish tool. Now the bit here, the crook, if you like, I'm going to lay on my thread. Then I'm going to come in behind the thread and I'm going to create a triangle, like so. And then I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. Then I can use the tension on the bottom of the hook to release the thread here, and then I simply pull it up, and as I get near the end I do it like that. We're going to go again in slow time, so I'll bring my thread up towards me, I catch it in the groove here, and then I'm going to bring the hook in behind the thread, turn it to a triangle, 1, 2, 3, release it from this part of the whip finisher, pull it up and release. And it might seem a little alien at first, and for many years I just used a half hitch and then I glued or varnished my thread wraps, and it seemed to work well enough for me. But as I said, once I started YouTube I thought I'd best learn how to use this. So once you get used to it, it's actually difficult not to use it. You know, I always find myself scratching around my bench looking for my whip finish tool to finish off the flies. I hope that's been of some use to you. If you would like to see more sort of tips on how to use different tools, let me know in the comment section below.